It took me 53 years to figure out that I and everybody else primarily are living in a trap. And that trap is this need to be eating 3 square meals a day. How many of you have been told that throughout your whole life? You have to have a big breakfast or a small breakfast, or a big lunch, a small lunch, whatever. It's all over the map with this, but the concept of having 3 square meals is not what humans have been doing for the majority of humanity. We've been eating, if we're lucky, 2 meals a day. And I've been doing more and more research on this, and the Vikings, the Spartans, the Pharaohs, the Greek warriors, the Roman soldiers, all of them, and way more, only ate 2 meals a day. So after all this time, training, eating, like as much food as I could possibly get into me, I'm doing it the right way. And I wanted to show you what I got for the groceries for this week. Well, it's actually going to last a whole lot longer than 1 week. And it's pretty straightforward. And it's the most affordable food you're going to buy. Let me show you. All right, so I've got basically everything you can need here. Now this, as I said, is more than 1 week's worth of food. Because, for example, that giant bag of brown lentils, that once cooked, triples in size. Same with the rice, same with the pot barley. And you've got all whole foods here. There is nothing processed here. The closest to processed would be tofu, but that's only a few ingredients. And when it comes to all your amino acids, every single amino acid you can dream of is covered here, just like in all whole plant foods. And all the protein you would ever need for building muscle, energy through the roof right here in all these different foods. So this, my friend, is the most affordable food you're going to get. So everything you possibly need is right there. And this whole big haul, I think it totaled something like $45 to $50. Now, again, things like the nuts. This is an investment kind of purchase because it would be, I'm not going to eat all those nuts in 1 week. That's 2 weeks at least right there. So those are the most expensive elements out of all of this. But the bag of lentils, $4. That's your protein for an entire week and a half. It's amazing. So when people say, oh, plant food, whole food plant-based diet is expensive, that's completely wrong. I just proved it right here. So tons of great ideas on how to eat like this, how to train properly, how to be the healthiest you could possibly be. That's what broprothrive is all about. That's what we're here to do, share ideas, share inspiration, and to learn. Like, we're constantly learning, and it's all good. So head on over there, join the community. Hope to see you soon.